Hi there, this is Lena from IRBIS and welcome back to our educational channel. Today, we will review results of the workflow called leads search. In order to start, you insert here the input, the keyword of your interest, and I'll show you the results. I have made a search based on the two keyword is by IRBIS right now. The information I found came from Facebook. Here we go. I found here a group or a page called awesome.espy and some activity. The post. Here's the content from the post. Here's the link to the original post in case you're interested to check it yourself. And one more post. It's an article actually. It has links that you can click, always redirection to an original post. Here are the results. To whom it is interesting, to marketing agencies, and to researchers that would like to know more about certain events, keywords, or another type of entities from social networks. Thanks for watching. See you later.